Did you know that apple cider vinegar is not just a kitchen staple, but a potential powerhouse for health? Studies suggest it may enhance digestion and aid in weight loss. Imagine the possibilities. Stay tuned as we unravel more about this natural remedy's astonishing benefits. Discover how apple cider vinegar could transform your wellness journey. Apple cider vinegar is rapidly gaining fame as a go-to natural health remedy. From aiding digestion to potential weight loss benefits, it's capturing attention worldwide. Join us as we delve into why this ancient tonic is a modern favorite. Ready to uncover its secrets? Let's explore. In today's fast-paced world, many of us face persistent health challenges like poor digestion, unwanted weight gain, and fluctuating blood sugar levels. The quest for natural remedies is gaining momentum, and apple cider vinegar is at the forefront. Could it hold the answer? Imagine finding a natural way to support your digestive health, manage weight, and stabilize blood sugar. Its potential benefits have sparked curiosity. We'll uncover how this humble kitchen staple might offer more than just a tangy kick to your salad dressing. Stay with us as we explore the claims and evidence surrounding apple cider vinegar and discover if it truly could be the natural solution. Next, we'll delve into specific benefits attributed to apple cider vinegar, backed by scientific insights that could transform your approach to health and wellness. Let's delve into the intriguing claims about apple cider vinegar. Could this kitchen staple be a powerhouse for better health? Many have turned to it for potential aid in digestion, weight loss, and blood sugar management. Starting with digestion, some studies suggest apple cider vinegar may enhance gut health and reduce bloating. Regarding weight loss, it's believed to curb appetite and boost metabolism, with studies showing weight loss benefits for regular consumers. Lastly, research indicates it can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar responses after meals. While these findings are promising, a balanced perspective is essential. Scientific backing is key, but personal experiences and professional advice also play vital roles. As we uncover these potential benefits, consider how they fit into your lifestyle and health goals. Stay with us as we reveal compelling evidence that could reshape your view of this natural remedy. As we reach the heart of our exploration, it's time to reveal a transformative insight about apple cider vinegar. Recent findings suggest its remarkable potential to enhance metabolic health significantly. Imagine a simple, natural remedy that could fundamentally shift how we view metabolic function. This isn't just anecdotal evidence, it's robust scientific backing that could redefine perceptions. With apple cider vinegar, we're not merely talking about minor benefits, but profound implications for overall well-being. Consider its impact on metabolic processes that govern energy use and storage, a cornerstone of health. This revelation challenges us to rethink traditional approaches to metabolic health and opens doors to new possibilities. It's a powerful reminder of nature's potential to aid in our quest for better health. This newfound understanding may compel many to reconsider or embrace apple cider vinegar as a staple in their wellness routine. As we move forward, we'll summarize these compelling insights and consider their practical implications. Stay tuned as we wrap up this journey and reflect on how apple cider vinegar might fit into your path towards improved health. To recap, apple cider vinegar presents a wealth of potential health benefits, from aiding digestion to weight management. Before embracing any new health practices, always consult with a healthcare professional. Reflect on these insights and consider how apple cider vinegar might play a role in your wellness journey. We'd love to hear your stories with apple cider vinegar. Share your experiences and dive deeper into the world of natural health remedies by exploring our other videos. Your journey to wellness could inspire others. So, why wait? Engage with us, and let's explore the incredible benefits of nature together.